Hey everybody, today is just going to be a random little craft haul, kind of decor. I don't know, there's some mugs and stuff in there. So I guess just a random little haul of stuff from Michael's, Walmart, JoAnn's, Five Below, Ross, and Hobby Lobby. But without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First place I'm going to do is Michael's. First thing I got, can't even really fit in frame, but it is this jewelry display thing, more of a necklace display because it's so tall and only has one tier. But these were half off, so I got one of those for doing craft shows. And then I got these green seed beads since I need some for the cherry skull earrings. These were, I think these were regular price and I just used a 20% off coupon on them. And then I got this jelly roll pen. And then I have these little glass containers. These were half off as well. So it says that it's for earrings and they have those little circles in there, little eye pins in there. But honestly, I might just use these for random crafts. Next, I'm gonna do Ross, and it's just in one of these weird thank you bags. And it's just the Zuru Smashers things. I don't know, I guess. They're just little dinosaurs. I'll make a video opening these as well as showing what I do with them because I'm going to turn them into earrings. It was $8 for the pack. Next is going to be Five Below. I actually got a bunch of stuff at Five Below. Some of it saved for a Halloween haul. Other stuff was candy, so that all got eaten. But this was $5.55 and it is a little mushroom mug. Next place is going to be JoAnn's Fabrics and Crafts. First thing I got is these cow scissors. These are pretty new, and when we got them in, I was so excited. And then I'm pretty sure just like indefinitely until they go on clearance, we have the mini birdhouses. Buy one, get one free, so $1.50 a piece basically. And I'm gonna make some little fairy houses. I found this random thing of haichu that I did not realize I bought. And then I got two of these 8-compartment storage ring thingies, just to put little jewelry findings and stuff in. And then I got this medicinal tea book. I really want one for myself, but my mom said she wanted this for Christmas, so she's gonna get this. Next, I'm gonna do Walmart. I just got this today. Everything else I got was Halloween related, so that'll be in a different haul. But they have these fleece throws. They're like $4. And this one has mushrooms on it. Do I need this? No. Am I gonna use it? Probably not. We have a closet full of blankets, but this is super cool. And I even saw people using these to make their own DIY lightweight tie blankets, so that is a good idea too. And lastly, we have Hobby Lobby. First thing I got is these two little sets of these glass jars. I actually went there specifically looking for these, and they had these packs on clearance for $1.74, which is really good because the pack I was gonna get only had like 4 of them in it for like $3, so very glad to have found these. And then I think I've bought the pink and blue versions of these, but I found these on clearance for $1.99. So, you know, I had to get them. And I can't wait to make, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but they're kind of see-through and gold shimmery kind of. They're very fairy dust, you know, pixie dust looking. So I cannot wait to make some magical looking earrings with these. Next thing I have is these shells, and they were on clearance too for $1.49. Which is super awesome because I was specifically looking for these as well because I'm gonna do a little washed up mermaid craft with a Dollar Tree mermaid skeleton because those things are kind of ugly, not gonna lie. So yeah, make sure to subscribe so you guys can see that in the future. And then they had these plastic glue-on bales for 99 cents. They had a bunch of them and I kind of wanted to buy all of them, but I really couldn't justify it. The next 3 things are all wrapped, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't remember what they are. First thing I unwrapped, one of my favorites. It is a mushroom Christmas ornament, as if I don't already have a bunch of these. But I saw it and I was obsessed and I knew I needed to have it. I got this gnome mug. He was half off. He is adorable. I am obsessed. And then they had these little cactuses for 99 cents. I've realized that if I keep doing craft shows in my town, I need more like normal people type jewelry because the people around here just, there's not a lot of them that really fit the type of jewelry I make, and I want to be able to sell stuff locally too, you know? So if I have to make some stuff that is more, kind of goes with the people here, then I guess I will. Here's what I thought I lost. They have these little tiny Christmas ornament, candies for like the little mini trees. They were half off, so they were like $3 for these. I'm gonna make them into earrings, of course, because I do that with everything. Lastly, I got this little turtle dish because for many years, I always got this style of stuff for my mom for Christmas and birthday and everything. Like this color, I guess, and kind of the pattern it has to it. And eventually my mom told me to stop because she has too many things. But I saw this and I don't know, she probably likes turtles and it fits that theme, and it's a bowl, so you know it's usable. Put like some keys in there, I guess. But anyways, that'll be it for this video. If you like crafty stuff and hauls, make sure to like this video, comment down below what your favorite item was, and subscribe to see how I use all this stuff in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.